How to reset forgotten Wells Fargo account password. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can reset your forgotten Wells Fargo account password. For that, you want to open up any web browser and head over to wellsfargo.com. Now, tap on the sign on option. Normally, you can enter your username and password in order to sign on. However, if you have forgotten your Wells Fargo account password, tap on the Forgot Username or Password option. Now, there are three options here. You can either use your SSN or ITIN number, you can use your username or your account number. Now, you can select whichever option you want. If you select username, you will have to enter your username on this box. Once that is done, tap on the Continue option. Now, on the next page, you will have to enter your date of birth. Once that is done, tap on the Continue option. After that, you will be prompted to enter your card number, account number, or your loan number. Enter that and tap on the Continue option. After that, you will be able to reset your forgotten password from there. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.